This is an IM1 lesson, Integrated Math 1 lesson, on solving systems of equations by graphing. The notes we're going to use are right here. This is a representation of what's happening. The solution to a system of equations is the point where the two lines cross. So this right there is my solution, 9, -1. This is our goal, this is what we're going to try and do today. Okay. Our notes going to go like this. When solving by graphing, follow these steps. Graph each equation on the same graph paper using 2 different colored pencils or markers or pens using one of these 3 popular methods. The first method, slope-intercept form. It's either y equals ax plus b or y equals mx plus b. Plot your intercept, your y-intercept, then use the slope to find the next dot on the graph. Once you find that, you can draw your line. Or standard form, ax plus by equals c. When you have this, you can use a, b, and c to find your x and y intercepts. That's another way to do it. A third way to graph these lines is to make an input-output table of various values to find several dots that all should line up. Then you can draw your line. The solution is where the 2 lines cross each other. Write your answer as an ordered pair, x, y. We're going to start with this one. These are both written in slope-intercept form. This will be my red one. According to what I'm seeing, my y-intercept is 6. I will put a dot there. My slope is 1/4, which means rise of 1, run of 4. I'm going to rise up 1, 1, 2, 3. That's my next dot. I can do it again. Up 1 over 1, 2, 3, 4. So what happens when I get off the graph? You can always go the other way. It's a positive, right? Well, if I go negative and then negative again, 2 negatives make a positive. -1, then backwards 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'll have a series of dots that all line up. That's my first line. Second equation. I'm going to do in green. I'm going to start at -3. That's my y-intercept. -3. The slope says 5 over 2. This means I'm going to go up 5 over 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. And it goes off up here somewhere. But I can also go double negative. Down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, backwards 2. My solution is going to be 4, 7. Always write your solution as an ordered pair. In this case, 4, 7. Now let's try it again. This time, both equations are written in standard form. Well, if it's in standard form, I can always turn it to slope-intercept. What I'm going to do, get y alone. Subtract 2x. Subtract 2x. In a previous lesson, I showed you how to graph it when it's in standard form using intercepts. I'm going to do it by putting it to slope-intercept form. These will cancel out. -3y equals -2x. That's a +6, so +6. Divide by -3, divide by -3, divide by -3. Y equals negative or positive 2/3 x. 6 divided by -3 is a -2. Okay. My y-intercept is -2. That's right here. My slope is up 2 over 3. 1, 2, 3. Up 2 over 1, 2, 3. Up 2 over 1, 2, 3. I can do it the other way also. Down 2, backwards 1, 2, 3. Double negatives also make a positive. Down 2, backwards 3. Down 2, backwards 3. all of those line up. Remember, you can play this note, this video, as many times as you need before you understand. Okay, that's my purple one. I'll try it. This will be my green one. I'm going to subtract 2x. I'm going to get y alone. Minus 2x. 3y equals, I like to put my x's first. That was a negative 18, so it's still minus 18. This was a negative 2. They're not like terms, so I cannot combine them. I have to leave them separate like this. Divide by 3, divide by 3, divide by 3. Y equals negative 2 over 3. X, negative 18 divided by 3 is a negative 6. So, if I start at negative 6, it's down here. My slope is negative 2 over 3. That means I can go down 2 over 1, 2, 3. Down 2 over 1, 2, 3. Or I can go up 2, backwards 3. There we go. There's my solution right there. Up 2, backwards 3. And do it again, backwards 3. Okay. My solution is going to be negative 3, comma negative 4. Negative 3, comma negative 4. Right there. That's my solution. Always write it as an ordered pair. If I get it on the page, my solution, bam. So, this is where you put the glue. Glue it into your notebook.